Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be showing you my YouTube studio and I hope you guys like it. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm going to start over here. So over here we have this light, the ring light. I bought this ring light from Best Buy and I paid $70 for it. And I love it because it comes with a cell phone holder over here. And that's why I put my cell phone. I actually use my iPhone to film all my videos. I don't have a camera. And then we come over here. This is a mirror that I used, that I bought from Burlington. I paid about $14.99. And that's what I use when I'm doing my natural hair videos. And over here I have this vlog kit that I bought from Walmart. I paid about $39.99. They also sell it on Amazon, so I'm going to put a link so that you guys, if you wanted to get it, you guys can get it. I love how it is, or how it's set up, because it has a cell phone holder here, and then it has a Bluetooth remote over here that you use to take pictures. So you can set it up and take pictures, and you can even use it with the long one and just use it to take pictures and pause. If you do Instagram pictures, you can use that. And it also closes up like that. As you can see, it's very steady and flexible. So I use it. And then here it has this, you can change these lights, but I usually just use the same one. I rarely use it like that. But yeah guys, so this is what I use for my videos as well. And then over here I have this desk that I bought from Walmart. I paid $59 for it. It's a very nice big desk. It's not too big, but just the right size. As you can see, it has also a drawer in here where I keep my stuff in there, like my hair products, like stuff that I use to make my videos. And then over here I have this chair that I also bought from Walmart. It's a mini office chair, and it adjusts as well. And I paid $25 for it at Walmart, and it's very easy to set up. I set it up myself. It took me less than an hour, and also the table is very easy to set up as well. And then over here we have my flower. We have that flower stand that I've had for a while. I bought it from TJ Maxx, and that's why I have the plant on top. I paid about $8.99. And then I have the flower pot, which I paid about 16 something from TJ Maxx as well. I've had it for a while. And that's a fresh plant that I bought from Lowe's. I paid about $14.99. And over there I have my mirror that I bought from Ross. It was $16.99, and it used to be silver, and I spray painted it to gold. And then over here I have my small flower bouquet and my sign. I love my sign. Have big dreams, you will grow into them. I love the message, you know, never be afraid to dream big. You always achieve your dreams, and you can grow into them. And over here I have a pair of shoes, one of my heels. I love heels, as you guys will get to know. And my initial plan was to always switch my shoes, like I should put different heels every time, but I just decided to just keep that one over there. And that's an apple that I bought that apple from Home Goods, and I paid about, I think, $10, $12. I don't really remember. And also I forgot the hanging shelves. I bought those hanging shelves from Bellington, and I paid about $14.99. No, actually they were a bit pricey. I paid about $19.99, and it's a set of 2. And yeah, they were easy to set up and all that stuff. They are not very strong though. I can't put like heavy stuff there. It has to be like really light stuff. Yeah. And then over here, guys, I have my clothing haul area where I'll be trying on clothes and stuff like that. And I also use it for my Poshmark when I'm taking pictures of stuff like clothes that I'm selling on my Poshmark. I use this area, and as you can see, I have that sign which says welcome to Simply Royce. So yeah, so this is my small YouTube studio, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that you don't need a lot of space to set up your YouTube studio, and you don't need a lot of stuff. It's, you know, you just need a few things, and I'm sure you can find very good deals anywhere you go. And yeah, guys, I like how everything turned out. It's simple, nice and clean, and yeah, I love the outcome. And yeah, very proud. And if you guys remember, this is my spare bedroom. You've seen the video. So this is, I just used my spare bedroom. That was the corner where the chair was, and I turned it into a YouTube small studio. Yeah, guys, I'm so proud of what I did, and I hope you guys like the video. So this is the end of my video, and I hope you like my YouTube studio / clothing haul area. I like how everything turned out. It's simple and easy, you know. I can just change the pieces if I want to, and yeah, I like it, guys. And it doesn't take up a lot of space, so if you have a blank wall in your house, you can definitely use it to set up your small YouTube studio. And yeah, guys, so thank you so very much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much again for watching. Bye bye.